Hi, LogDog321 here for VacBin.com, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your carpets with the Hoover MaxExtract 60 PressurePro carpet cleaner. Now first, we're going to want to set up our space, so let me show you. Now as you can see, I've already moved everything out of the way, so you need to move all the furniture out of the way of the space you're cleaning. Next, I highly recommend putting down some towels at the entrances and exits and other entrances into the space you're cleaning. This way, as your feet get wet from walking on the wet carpet, you don't track it out into other areas of the house. At this point, you need to vacuum your carpet very thoroughly. You want to do this to get any little piece of dirt that you can before actually going and cleaning your carpet's water, because if there's still dirt left in the carpet, it can start to create mud, which is very hard to get out. So here I'm going to be using the Shark Rotator Lift Away Pro, and I'm going to speed this section up so that you don't have to watch me cleaning for 10 minutes. But this is basically, you want to be very, very thorough. Do 2 or 3 times as long as you would normally take to vacuum. And as you can see, I pulled too hard and unplugged the vacuum. So let's plug that back in, shall we? All right. Get this back on the road. All right, and with that, let's move on to the next step. Now we want to fill up the formula tank and the water tank. So first, set this to rinse, and I'll explain why in my actual review video, but when you're filling the tanks, you always want to set it to rinse on this model. Then, open up the water tank, run your water until it gets hot. I'll fast forward through this section. And fill up the tank. Alright, now let's do the detergent side. So the easy way to do this, since I'm using Bissell 2X concentrated, is just to fill up the detergent to the halfway line with hot water and then pour the rest in with detergent. So let's do that. That looks to be about halfway. And let's move this so I can get a clear shot, because I'd rather not waste this stuff. And there we go. Now let's just put that cap back on. Give a little bit of a shake, and get down to cleaning. Let's see you in a second. Alright, now it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's start cleaning. Now we're going to take this tank full of water and put it right in. Take the cord from the back, and I'll go plug that in. And we're going to start in the farthest corner of the room. This is the farthest corner from your exit door. You do this so that you don't have to walk over your drying carpet, which is still wet. Let me re-angle the camera and let's start actually cleaning. Alright, so now for this machine, the best way to clean is to hold down the trigger as you push it forward and then pull back without the trigger. So for me, I like to do 2 cleaning rounds. So push it forward once holding the trigger, let go of the trigger and pull back, hold onto the trigger and go forward, let go and pull back, and then go a couple passes back and forth without using the trigger just to try to get up any extra water. So with that, let's get started. Let's turn our dial to wash to engage the flow of detergent and turn on the machine. That's all you have to do. So now at this point, I'm going to go and continue cleaning the rest of the carpet, and I'm going to show you the results. See you then. Alright, I have my results, my first tank of dirty water here. So as you could see, it's pretty disgusting. Now typically I would do this in a toilet because a number of reasons you don't want to dump it in your sink. Number one, there's sand. Number two, do you really want everything, all the germs and everything that people's shoes, feet drag in your sink? Most of the time, no. And then also, it does make a mess of your sink. However, filming dirty water going into a toilet is not very appealing to most viewers at home, so I will take the time and clean my sink for you. Instead, all you gotta do, well, not instead. Anyway, all you have to do to empty this is just turn this little quick pour spout, and then just tip it. So, yep, you can see that just fine. Take out the spout, and there we go. Blech. Now, I still have a lot more carpet to clean, but that was my first pass. And then after you're done cleaning your complete carpet, you lift up this little cleaning access and you can completely clean inside the tank. However, for now, I don't need to get in there, although I will pull out this little bit of hair. And close that back up. And of course, because I'm on camera, it doesn't want to... There we go. Alright, now at this point, they have, designers are pretty good, and they got it so that when your dirty water needs to be emptied, your clean water needs to be filled. So at this point, I'm going to fill up my clean water and continue cleaning. This has been the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'm LogDog321, or Logan for Vacmin.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.